Welcome back to CellWave. Today we're diving into an exciting showdown between three amazing smartphones: the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and the Samsung S24 Ultra. Let's find out which one comes out on top. First up, we have the brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Launched just a few days ago, this phone is packed with incredible features. It boasts a stunning 6.8-inch display, perfect for watching videos and playing games. And guess what? It has a super camera with 200 megapixels, so your photos will look crystal clear. Next, let's talk about the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This beauty is known for its sleek design and powerful performance. With its 6.7-inch display and a fantastic camera system, it captures beautiful pictures and videos. Plus, it runs on Apple's latest iOS, giving you access to tons of fun apps. Now let's not forget the Samsung S24 Ultra. Although it's a bit older, it still holds its ground with a 6.8-inch display and a versatile camera setup. It's great for gaming and multitasking, making it a reliable choice for many users. So how do these phones stack up against each other? The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra shines with its latest technology and camera capabilities. The iPhone 16 Pro Max offers a smooth user experience and a fantastic ecosystem of apps. Meanwhile, the Samsung S24 Ultra remains a solid option for those who want great performance without the latest price tag. Which phone do you think is the best? Each has its own strengths, and it really depends on what you're looking for.